This 2021 Keystone Avalanche 395BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Keystone is 41 feet 6 inches in length and features 4 slide-outs, a Stanton interior, sleeps 8, microwave, air conditioning, DVD player, oven, slide-out, TV antenna, spare tire kit, skylight, smoke detector, LP detector, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, front bedroom, loft, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Avalanche 395BH is 14,060 pounds. This 2021 Keystone Avalanche 395BH. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.